Hi friends, let me show you this CuffUp plant base with wheels that I received for reviewing purposes. If you have a plant, you know sometimes it's heavy. So if you put it on top of these bases, you will be able to move it around really easily, okay? You get two bases in the box and you just have to put them together, okay? Like that. Okay. You see, the wheels have a security option so they won't move if you want your plant to stay put and don't move. But if you need to move it around, well, you see how easy it is. You will be able to move it wherever you need it, okay? They are aimed for plants, but you could also put here, I don't know, a little statue, box, whatever you want to have in a place and be able to move it easily with these wheels, you are able to do it, okay? So if you love your plants but you want to move them around easily, these plant bases with wheels are a great option. Thank you.